This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable sleep mode in Windows 11. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. To enable or disable the sleep mode or to change the time period, sleep mode is where your computer or your monitor goes to sleep after a certain amount of time. To change the settings on that, it's very easy to do. First thing you want to do is go down to the bottom down here, down to the start icon. You want to right click on the start icon. Then you want to go up to where it says settings and click on settings. Now in the dialog box that opens up here, you want to make sure that you're on the System tab. Then over here you want to go down to where it says Power and click on Power. Right up here it says Screen and Sleep. You want to click on Screen and Sleep. That will expand a drop down. In the top thing here, when plugged in, turn off my computer screen after so many minutes. That's for your monitor. The bottom one is for your computer. If you want to turn the sleep mode, say you want to turn the sleep mode off on your monitor to where it doesn't go into sleep mode, you'll go down to the right over here. You'll click this drop down. You can change it to 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, 1 hour. If you scroll down to the bottom, all the way to the bottom, you can click on Never if you wanted to disable it. Otherwise, you could choose one of these times here. And you could do the same thing for your computer itself. When plugged in, put my device to sleep after, by default it's probably set to 15 minutes, but you could click the drop down here. You could choose a different time frame, or you could scroll to the very bottom and click on Never. If you click on Never, that means your computer will never go to sleep. If you have it powered up, it will stay on. That is how to enable or disable sleep mode in Windows 11. Thanks for watching.